So here we are. I'm just about to start work, so we'll see what's in store for today in this first garden. So customer wants me to take out all the plants out of this bog bed, get rid of all the soil, but can't do much in it today. Gonna sort the brambles. Well guys, didn't have much time for videoing, but it was an old bramble patch that just needed chopping right down, and then everything clearing out, all the dead stuff, ready for the springtime when all the new shoots will start coming up. As you can see, it's quite a big patch. Now that I've brought it down to the ground, or thereabouts, left about a foot. You can't quite see it there, but they're about all the same height, and it's just going to help with getting the light into the middle of the patch, and that'll in turn help with the fruits for this year. Okay, that's this one done. On to the next garden now. Just having a quick cup of tea in between houses. Was just about to leave, but I've been given a nice cup of tea, so thought I'd have 10 minutes just to sit down and have a bit of a warm drink. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Yeah, I just had to stop off just to get a bite to eat before my next one. It's just past lunchtime now, so just scrammed a bit of food, and I'm heading off now to the next garden. Oh, what's this? Oh, cup of coffee. Don't mind if I do. That's the shaping and the pruning done, and on that one as well. Right, that's about it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. if you've got any questions, please drop them in the comments below. And if you haven't already been over to the channel, head over there, check out my other videos, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers.